2013 Audi A6 3.0 here. And have you ever wondered how to depin and repin these connectors? I have a problem this very minute where this O2 sensor connector kind of lost the latch. You see that big hole there? This one, of course, doesn't have that problem. It's got the latch in there, right? You push on that, opens the latch, allows you to disconnect the two sides. This one, you see, it doesn't have it. Pretty annoying. I ran like this for quite some time and decided it's time to fix it. You know, obviously I was in here for a bunch of other things anyway. First thing I recommend doing is writing down the color code. This is a 4-pin for the O2 sensor. That is the downstream O2 sensor connector. Yep. And you're gonna need one of these depinning tools, a pick. This pick will work just fine. This depinning tool is the number 12. And it came out of a kit. It looks like this that I got off eBay. I'll put the link in the description. So of course the first step is to get the pins out of this connector. I guess you want to get that thing as close as you can to you. Then it's got this purple little slidey thing in there. I assume y'all can see that. It doesn't have to come all the way out. I'm going to use a pick to move it just a bit. It will come all the way out, but it does not have to, right? So I'm going to take it, slide it back. That's all you got to do. It's only got to come that far, right, to where this is about flush with the outside of the connector. There's a gap in there in case you need to pull the little slide, purple slide thing all the way out. And then you're going to take this tool and it's on both sides of each pin all the way down. You've got a couple holes. Stick that in there, you're going to hear it click. Oh, let me get a little more light going here too. Right, got that in there and it clicked. These pins are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. This is pin number 4. And you should now be able to pull that sucker right out. And for me, what I like to do, even though I trust what I wrote down, I'm gonna take one out and put it right back in. To get it back in, you'll notice a couple little barbs. Those go, you know, on the, like in this position up right now, right? And just slip that right in there. And you've got it. Then you just move on to the next one. Ooh, and this whole thing fell apart. Chuck that right in the garbage. Get this last pin inside. Make sure it's lined up correctly. And then you want to give each one of them a little tug, make sure they're in there good. Take a quick visual. And last step is pushing that pink piece all the way in. Just like that, and you're ready to rock. It'll connect up. My O2 sensor, the actual connector on it is broke also, but I'll be getting a new one of those shortly. But now it'll snap right in.